everyone, it's another day in Rome. We are going out right now to see the Pantheon and also to do some more shopping and eating. So this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this dress. It's off the shoulder. It's from Storets. I got it a while ago, but I really like the brand, so you can check it out if you like this and want to see if there's anything similar online. And then this jacket is really cool. It's I'm really into this houndstooth print right now, and my friend found this for me in Zara yesterday. So you can probably still get it. I'll try to find the link online, but it's a little bit chilly, so I thought it was really nice that I could wear it out today in Rome. So I'll show you what we end up doing today. Wow, thank you.
That's it. What's a popular flavor?
I got hazelnut. It's really yummy. Like the texture of this gelato is so soft and like creamy. It's definitely different than ice cream, and this hazelnut is light but still really yummy, so it's not too sweet or anything. Really good.
She's vlogging.
of shopping today. I went to Chanel, Dior, Gucci. I will be showing everything soon in an unboxing, but I also wanted to share my shopping experience. I had a really good experience in Chanel. I'm actually going to look for my essay's name and I'll leave it down below, but if you are visiting Rome, she worked at the Chanel. She helped me and two of my friends. We didn't feel rushed. She was so nice and also helping us choose like what we wanted. So I'll leave it down below. And I also had a really good experience at Dior, so I will also leave my essay at Dior down below also. So now we're just gonna walk to dinner and kind of spend the rest of the night eating and relaxing.